Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to design marketing slides in Google Slides. So head over to Google Slides and log into your account. Let's start a blank presentation. Before designing anything, decide your main goal. Marketing slides should focus on one clear purpose, like promoting a product, selling a service, or explaining your value. Knowing your goal helps guide the design and content of every slide. The next step is choose a clean and modern theme. Use brand colors, readable fonts, and consistent layouts. Avoid clutter. Simple and focused slides always perform better in marketing presentations. Now, build your slides around value. Add slides that explain the problem, your solution, key features, and benefits. Use short bullet points instead of long paragraphs. Clear and direct messaging always works better. Use visuals like icons, images, charts, or screenshots to support your points. Visuals make marketing slides more engaging and easier to understand. Just make sure every visual has a purpose and it's not just a decoration. Highlight important words, numbers, or calls to action using size or color. Don't overdo it. Balanced contrast keeps your slides professional and easy to read. To save time and stay consistent, use master slides. Set your fonts, colors, and layouts once so the entire presentation looks aligned and professional. So before finishing, review your slides in the presentation mode. There we go. Check readability, spacing, and flow. Make sure each slide connects smoothly to the next one. You can present live, share with your team, or export the slides as the PDF. Google Slides saves everything automatically in your drive. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.